Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add music to your Roblox game. Alright, so let's begin with the video. The first thing that we need to do is open our game right here. Let's say for example that we are going to put an audio or music right here in this game. Now what we're going to do next is go here on the right screen and then click Sound Service. You will see this. Just click the plus icon and then click Sound, which is right here. Once you click Sound, the next thing that you need to do is scroll down until you see Sound ID. You will see that it has an empty box right here. Now what we're going to do is look for the audio that we want to put in our game. Next, go into your browser and open Roblox. Once you've opened Roblox, the next thing that we need to do is click Create, which is right here. Once you click Create, you will be redirected to the Creator Hub of Roblox. Now click Store, and then what we're going to do next is click Audio, which is right here. Once you're here, all you have to do is look for the audio that you want to add in your game. Now, if you want a custom audio, all you have to do is upload your audio into your account. Then, once it is uploaded, you can find it right here. Let's say, for example, we want to add an ambient audio. Let's say we want to use this. Now, all you have to do is click it, then click Get Audio. Once you click Get Audio, click More Info, and then in the URL, just copy the numbers that are located right there. So just click that and press Ctrl+C. Once you press Ctrl+C, it's already copied. Let's go back to Roblox Studio, and then in the Sound ID box, paste the numbers we just copied. Once it's done, just click Enter. If you want to preview the audio that we have just added, click this, and you should be able to hear the audio. Now what we're going to do next is scroll down again and then click Loop if you want it to loop, and then click Playing, which is right here. Once it's done, if you want to test it, all you have to do is click Play. You should now be able to hear the music or audio we just added. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add music to your Roblox game. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.